Okay, now when designing forms with tables, it helps to be able to see where the cells are. So what I do is I put in a border attribute, make it say 2, and save that. I don't particularly like tables with borders, um, but they're helpful in doing the design layout, and I'll take them out later. So as you can see now, we can see the borders here. If we preview that in the browser, you'll see now we can see how these cells are laid out. So we've got enter your email. Would you like to be added to our mailing list? Yes, no, maybe. Click this and clear. So this makes it a lot easier to figure out exactly what we want to do here. So let's put would enter your email and would you like to be added to our mailing list on their own rows. And so if you remember how to do that in a table, we go to what we want, say enter your email. Um, and in this TD tag here, we use the, if you remember, the call span attribute. And since we want it to go all the way across, um, well, let's make it a call span of 2. Um, we could make it 3 since there's 3 rows, but I'm thinking of taking the maybe out. So let's make it 2. And then if we copy that, and would you like to be added to our mailing list? Let's put that on its own row. So let's drop down here, start a new TR for it, put it on its own row. And take out that closing tag there. Now you can see they're on separate um, separate rows. Okay, so now I don't think maybe makes much sense. Would you like to be added to our mailing list? Maybe. So let's just not even give them that choice. They can say either yes or no. So let's completely take out line 19 like that. And then save it, preview it. And as you can see now, we've got enter your email address. Would you like to be added to our mailing list? Yes, no. Click this and clear. So let's do some more tweaking to this. For one thing, let's put yes and no and click this and clear right next to each other. So let's do let's take out the way we do this best. If we want them in the same cell, let's just put them within the same cell. So we take out the closing TD tag and the opening TD tag to put them in one cell together. Now you can see they're next to each other. And we'll do the same thing with click this and clear. So click this and clear. We take out the TD and the closing TD to put them all in one cell. And as you can see now, save, preview it in Firefox, and enter your email. Would you like to be added to our mailing list? Yes, no. Click this and clear. Let's change click this to enter. Makes more sense than click this. Enter, because they're entering data. And then finally, let's take out the border entirely. And then preview it in Firefox. So here's our finished table without the border, so that it looks cleaner. We have enter your email. Would you like to be added to our mailing list? Yes or no, and then they can enter or clear that. So you can see how powerful tables can be in formatting your forms in HTML.